Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2015 Toyota RAV4. This Toyota is powered by all-wheel drive, 2.5-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 136,620 miles. Experience the blend of comfort and efficiency with our pre-loved 2015 Toyota RAV4. Delivering reliable performance, superior fuel economy, and top-notch safety features. Drive with confidence, your nearly new journey starts here. This pre-owned RAV4 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this Toyota RAV4 is equipped with Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.